Three, two, one. Welcome back, guys. This is Alcoholic Endeavors, and today we're going to be making the Blizzard from the Ultimate Bar Book, the Comprehensive Guide to Over 1,000 Cocktails by Mitty Helmick. I believe that's the correct name. I think. I don't know. I'll figure it out along the way. First off, we need some ice before I do anything, because ice is very important. All right, so the Blizzard. It's from this bar book. My extended family, I guess, would be the best way to put it. Um, Sent me this bar book. They're amazing. I love them 100% all the way through. Uh, but I haven't touched this bar book in forever, apparently. So sorry about that. Anyways, let's go ahead and get down into making it. You'll need a bourbon or whiskey of your choice, preferably a blended whiskey if you choose to ignore bourbon. Um, you'll need cranberry juice. So, cranberry juice, you'll need lemon juice, and you also need some simple syrup. It almost kind of plays on an old fashioned from what I'm kind of seeing here a little bit, but we'll see how that goes. One's going to be mixed, one's going to be shaked and one's going to be mixed, and we'll go from there. So we'll start with the one that needs to be stirred, I guess. Maybe. Yeah. I'm too drunk for this. I'm sorry. But let me just grab out slightly cold, probably a little watery. Rocks glass. All right, so let's go ahead and get into this. For your bourbon of choice, 3 ounces of this. To 1 ounce of your cranberry juice. So only 1 ounce of this. This is barely gonna fit, I'm gonna be honest with you. Oh. I got overzealous there. I was just like, yeah, I'm just gonna fucking pour however I want to, I guess. 1 second. All right, we're back with our cranberry juice. 1 ounce of that. We'll need a half an ounce of our lemon juice, which I'm going to quickly shake. Probably should have shook the cranberry juice, but we didn't do that because plot reasons, I guess. Maybe. I don't know. And then 1 ounce of our simple syrup. And I'm going to remake this again in our shaker for just blended whiskey. So I'll bring you guys back in once I am done with that. So yeah. All right, welcome back, guys. We're back into the. Oh, I see. That goes over here. Of course I would. All right, we're back into this. This is the blended whiskey, so they're blended. Oh man. So we're back. We're gonna do the bourbon version and the whiskey version. The bourbon version, yeah. Let's go ahead and try it. Super sweet. It has a that is a strong lemon and cranberry. It's a very strong lemon. Honestly, it's sweet and lemony. Um, it's not bad. That's the problem. It's not bad. And I might have choose the wrong bourbon for this, which is a possibility. But honestly, overall, it's not horrible. It does burn all the way down, but it's very very sweet. I don't know if I care for this one actually. This is one of the ones that I don't care for bourbon for, which is very odd. Let's try the whiskey blended version with the Canadian whiskey of Crown, doing the same exact stuff. A little less sweet. The lemon is present, and this one actually works a lot better, in my opinion. It works a lot better. It's not as super sweet. It actually goes down really easily. There's no burn to this. I don't. It's not really tart, but it's not super sweet from this. I can taste the cranberry juice. I can taste the Crown Royal. I can taste a little bit of the lemon and the sweet, or the simple syrup. But it has a nice flavor to it. The bourbon one is too sweet and is almost a little too much lemon for my taste. Um, I would highly recommend if you're doing the Blizzard that you guys would do the whiskey version of this over the bourbon, because this is the proper one that I think, for just for my opinion, I think this is the proper one. Um, yeah. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time.